Moving into the Action section of the Home tab, let's explore the one-click templates. Coming up and selecting the icon, the default templates are the grid styles similar to what you would find in Excel, with the default style showing alternative colors between rows or more of a clean spreadsheet style that removes the color banding, financial statement styles, which will remove the cell borders and provide a cleaner design, as well as using the standard options, which will then include any of the prefixes in the cells themselves. Down at the bottom, if we scroll down, we can see a series of performance templates that use IBCS visualization standards. Selecting this will get a one-click output of the ability to compare actuals and forecast in this example. As we click through each one of these, we can observe the changes happening and see the various types of visuals, including bars or lollipops in this example, that will show up in the visual, all with a single click. And each of these templates has a specific design to make reading the data easy and intuitive, with their fourth template being one of the more popular ones that includes a vertical waterfall. More information can be found at the International Business Communication or IBCS website.